everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be unboxing the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Let's quickly open this up, see what's in the box, and set it up and show you guys how it works. First off, we have the remote here, very simple remote. You can go ahead and take that out later. Right after that, we have the Fire TV Stick itself, very small. A bunch of manuals with an AC adapter and a micro USB cable. And at last, a HDMI adapter, plus 2 quad AAA batteries. Unwrapping a bunch of stuff, the Fire TV just comes out like that. And it's made of hard plastic, by the way. This is pretty high quality stuff. And we have the power port up here. If I can just focus on that, there we go. We have the power port right there. And a bunch of HDMI labeling on the back. And a HDMI port on the front to plug into your TV. Coming to the remote, we can just peel that out. And we can take the remote outside the packaging. There's a bit more plastic on it, so just take that off. And there are quite a few buttons on this remote. It's not very cluttered like any other TV remote. They have a bunch of buttons on them. This is very simple and easy to understand. Has all the stuff you need. Okay, so after you have plugged in the Fire TV Stick to the back of your remote, you can just go ahead and press the power button, and that should also turn on your TV if your TV supports the HDMI CEC codec. So yeah, it should just automatically turn it on with the IR receiver on top. Just wait for this a second and the TV to boot up. And there we go, we are greeted with the home screen of the Amazon Fire TV Stick. So yes, it's not gonna come like this out of the box. You're gonna have to set it up, but that's not what this video is about. This is about after the setup process and how to use the Amazon Fire TV Stick. So first off, this is the home screen of the Amazon Fire TV Stick. We can just use the click wheel here to go around the user interface. So you can see it's very smooth, very responsive. You can use the click wheel and go around the UI, click on apps. So say I want to go to settings or something like that. There's tabs on top. Just focus, and yeah, you have a bunch of tabs on top. You can also have a search to get your content, and also settings if you want to tinker around with the settings. Display, sound, all that good stuff is here. So yeah, very simple interface. Nonetheless, I think everyone will be able to figure this out. Opening apps is as simple as just going on the home screen and clicking on the app you want to open up. And I've already installed some of these apps. You do need to install them from the App Store. So here's the YouTube app. It's the TV version of the YouTube app, so very user friendly. So we can go ahead and say, search for one of my videos, and we can play it. Now this is the 4K variant, but I don't have a 4K TV, so the 4K option does not show up. But if you do have a 4K TV, you'll be able to watch 4K YouTube videos on it. Really nice. And yeah, here's the video playing, one of my previous videos. It's right there. Pretty good looking. So this is how you play YouTube videos and stuff. Almost the same as any other smart TV that has the YouTube app or some other apps. There are a few other apps you can download here. There's Netflix, there's Amazon Prime, there's a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, I think this is like one of the best selection of apps in the smart TV section. One of the newer features added with the just second generation remote is the new Alexa support on the remote itself. So you see the microphone on top, and you can hold down this button and say, "What's the weather?"
In Bangalore, Karnataka, it's 23 degrees Celsius with fog.
Anyways guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want a review of the Amazon Fire TV Stick, let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely get back to you. Anyways, this is the App and I will see you on the next one.